Good morning, all of you. Today we are here to solve the exercises that is given in your book, and we are dealing with conjunctions. We will deal with the exercises that is given on the conjunctions. Page number 96. You can all see what is given on your page number 96. In the first exercise, there is the fill in the blanks with fill it with the suitable conjunctions. We have to find out the suitable conjunctions that we have read in the previous classes, and then we will use according to the words that is we have given here, and we should put the words which makes a meaningful sense. This is Easter Island. This is like a story. Easter Island was once a heaven for its inhabitants. Easter Island was once a heaven for its inhabitants. It provided them with all their needs. It provided them with all their needs, food, shelter, tool, and is a conjunction which is used here, and even the ability to create great works of art. They started abusing their land, means the people living there started abusing their land, and the soil here, not and full stop is there. The soil was losing its great growing powers because because of over cultivation. Second word because will be the answer, because of over cultivation. Because is used to show the reason, and here it is showing the reason why the land lost its fertility. Okay, there were hardly any seabirds. There were hardly any seabirds that could be remembered in the recent years. That could be remembered in the recent years. Combine the following sentences using the coordinating conjunctions. The second exercise, B number exercise, that is on page number 96, is combine the following sentences using the coordinating conjunctions. Okay, the driver stopped the vehicle. Here two sentences are given, and we have to combine them according to the coordinate conjunctions by using the coordinate conjunction. The driver stopped the vehicle. Full stop. The front tire was flattened, and we have the conjunction and or as. We have to choose the one. Combine the following sentences which the coordinating conjunctions given in the bracket. Okay, we have to choose the one. The driver stopped the vehicle. The driver stopped the vehicle. The driver stopped the vehicle as the front tire was flattened. As the front tire was flattened. Here we have joined the two sentences by using as. As is a coordinating conjunction. Now second number, Geeta prefers to wear shadi. Her daughter likes to wear jeans. Now there is a two different conflicting thing. Geeta prefers to wear sari, but her daughter likes to wear jeans. But will be suitable, but is not given here. It is whereas. Where is also showing, whereas is used to show the conflicting nature of the two objects. Geeta prefers to wear shari, whereas her daughter likes to wear jeans. This is the right answer. Whereas is using This way you have to do the other questions that is given in this exercise. And last is the exercise. This is not the last. Means second last is exercise number C. Fill up with the suitable conjunctions given in the box. Means you have been given with the help box. You have to choose with the words which is given in your help box, and you have to put it here and according to the right meaning. Fill up with the suitable conjunctions given in the box. First one is Arun. Arun, what is Arun and his friends? Arun dash his friend joined the national school cricket team. Arun dash his friend joined. Here Arun dash his friend. Now we to join the two subjects we use what? They both are equally important. What are they? They both are equally important. So we are giving here and Arun and his friend. This and is used for the sentences which have equal importance. Okay. Now, second number, the accident victim is given the best treatment. Why the victim is given the best treatment? What should be the recovery? Means then here in these sentences there are two conflicting features. First is victim has been given the best treatment, and in the second sentence his recovery is very slow. Means treatment, according to the treatment, the recovery is not that much great. So it is conflicting behavior. So we will use but. Okay. Means accident victim is given the best treatment, but his recovery is very slow. Okay. The last one is third number, the car keys. Where? In the office. That's in the house. Neither in the office nor in the house. Where we use this? Where we use this neither and nor. Neither and nor, it refers to that particular sentence where we find nowhere. Nowhere it is found. Fourth number, Ravi dash Ramu like ice cream. Ravi dash Ramu like ice cream. Ravi or Ramu like ice cream. Both means Ravi or Ramu means one of the two likes ice cream. If Ramu will love, then Ravi do not love ice cream. If Ravi will love, Ramu do not love ice cream. Both means from both only one loves ice cream. This is shown in this sentence. Now the D number exercise, you have to do it on your own. This is like an essay or speech. It is like a speech, and you have to write a speech on both good and bad effect of eating chocolate chips. Means in 5 lines you have to describe what are the good facts which chocolate gives you, and what are the bad effects that chocolates give you. This you have to write by your own and show it to me as soon as possible. Thank you.